Excuse me. Outside, 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 outside. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Oh, damn. By the way.
She came back second, so I don't know. So good. Right. Let's do it again.
We gotta check the scope, cuz these folks said they did. We back at it, we did it, and we did it, and it's done.
Thumb heads. You look like that. Shining armor. Oh my god.
Okay, look. What's up, what's up? Alright, my boy. Hey, what's up, Tuesday? What we back another video today, man. Today, Jay got me waiting on the cart. I'm sliding through. I need to get out my cart, my boy. We got Yanni, Michaela, Sophie, Lex. Sad, y'all. Today we're gonna talk a little more because I got my peoples here. Yo, so we just graduated. Well, I just graduated, man. Y'all know I just graduated college. Joint lit in it. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. Where we going? I'm good. All right, y'all. So we're doing a little practice lab right now. I had to get away from everybody. I was a little distracted. I ain't doing this. I ain't doing this now, though. This the track 2. I ain't been on track 2. So these, like I said before, these seats are not comfortable. But we're gonna catch up to Yanni. She ain't gonna be talking about nothing. Oh, we're gonna get this shit right. Oh yeah, come out here. Take him up right here. Oh yeah, this that bitch, bro. Oh yeah, I did this. He gone. He gone. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Out of there. Who it is, Michaela? Out of there. You gotta try to pass these people, bro. You gotta try to pass these people, man. These people, they slow, they not faster than me. Outside, 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 outside. Excuse me. God damn. Y'all going outside. Excuse me. Damn. You gotta try to pass Johnny, bro. Excuse me. Alright, we got this bitch now. Let's go catch the next person, man. We gotta let this slide a little bit. Pedal to the middle, man. We got this bitch. Let's see if we can find, let's see if we can catch somebody, bro. But now we're gonna stretch by ourselves, man. Have that bitch slide a little bit. I know how to counter steer and shit, so we're gonna let that bitch slide a little bit, man. I'll let that bitch slide a little bit. Damn, I ain't got nobody to race with, bro. I hate that. We gonna try to catch somebody, though. Damn. This way, I gotta goddamn slow down. Actually breaking this shit. Alright, yeah, we in this bitch, man. This shit funny, folks. I love go-karts, man. I love like the adrenaline rush and shit, but we trying to catch up somebody, bro. Let's see if we can do it. I think we far as fuck for everybody, bro. No matter, you know, the skybox folks and shit. He's trying to get the best lap time, though. Remember that. It's about best lap time, 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 lap time. I've been caught up with some people. It's time to work, it's time to work, it's time to work, it's time to work, it's time to work. You face, you face, you face, you face, 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 face. Zay, get your ass out of the way, Zay. Let's go past this nigga, Zay, man. Be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. Patience, patience, patience. Don't fuck up, don't fuck up, don't fuck up. You on his ass, y'all. You on his ass. You gotta find a good little time to get his ass. Excuse me, excuse me. Got his ass. Alright, we on to the next one, on to the next one, man, on to the next one. On to the next one, y'all. We done pass Zay. Get up out of there, for real. Had to let this slide a little bit. What happened? They stopped us, but I was gonna get the lap time of the year. Nigga, lap time of the year, but they bullshitting. Oh yeah, out of there, out of there, out of there. Nigga, lap time of the year, y'all. telling y'all, bro. Hey, man, we finna get this, man. Trying to get these lines right. Trying to get as much less slip as possible. This motherfucker right here is gonna get you right here. Oh, damn! God damn! Nigga done took me out. Nigga trying to take me out. Y'all seen that shit? They come for vengeance, but I don't like that. Let's just catch this nigga right here, man. Damn, bro. We gonna catch whoever this is right here. It's Tiana. Oh yeah, we catch Tiana. She ain't talking about that. Oh yeah, I'm catching that. Come here. Come here. Come here, Tiana. Come on. Oh yeah, come on. Tiana, move out of the way. Move out of the way. She in the way, man. She in the way. I'm trying to tell her, bro. We trying to get that fast lap, boy. We in this motherfucker. We gone. Yeah, grip that. We gripping that apex, man. We had one. We gripping that bitch. Who this up under here? Who the hell up under me, man? We got this bitch, man. Out of there, bro. We out of there. Come on, man. We do this shit, bro. It's K1 speed. I'll be on this shit. It's on me. We out of there, though. We out of there, though. We got it though. We got it though. We're in there. Shit this time wrong, but we still gonna hold it. Still gonna hold it. Let it kick back in, kick out a little bit. Who that is? We got catch people right here. God damn. We good though. We good though. We good though. This ain't got no grip on this side. We got it though. That's the other track. Oh shit. Oh, gripping. We gripping. Counter stick, we out of here though, we gone. No, I think they slowed him down, I think they slowed him down, I think they slowed him down. Damn. Can I tell y'all, bro? I caught all them foes. Come on, now. I caught everybody, man. That's the end of the video. What is it, bro? I caught Zayad. Who that? I caught Johnny at the beginning. Caught Zayad. Caught Tiana. They just not fast enough. Woo! That shit was fun. I had to do that, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, they thought that I was sweet. They thought shit was sweet out here. Like I said, they thought shit was sweet out here, man, and the shit was not sweet. I had to really go yeah. Had to show these folks. I had to tell you, it's my graduation type shit. Yeah, I really did that shit, man. I'm not gonna lie, these folks cannot touch us on that track. They give me a little more time, bro. I would've caught everybody, bro. I had to play catch up. They had me in the end. I had to play catch up. Had to really play catch up, no mustard on their ass, man. But that's the end of the video, man. Hey, I like it, man. Enjoy the video. We're gonna get a little review of everybody afterwards, see how they felt about it. Me personally, I whooped that ass. That was good ass right. I really had to do that real quick. Let's go talk about shit. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? You said what? You said what? No, you didn't, but didn't I pass you? Huh? Didn't I pass you? I can't, what? Didn't I pass you? I don't know what you said. Huh? I know I appreciate it.
Let me tell them how I ate everybody up. I ate everybody up, okay? Don't let them tell you nothing different. Okay. Appreciate it.
That shit fun. I just dusted niggas. I just done.
Wait, hold on.
Nigga, I can't.
Hold on.
Wait, it's over there.
We gotta check the scope, cause these folks swear they did me.
I'm telling you, I dusted.
These folks swear they did me.
Oh, somebody dusted me. Who came in first? I came back first. What are you talking
Bro, it's about the fastest lap time, bro.
I had the second. I was number 2.
Where that shit at, man?
Yes, sir.
What, number 4? Ah, okay.
Where you at?
Oh, 4th place, man. We'll take 4th place. We'll take 4th place. We'll take 4th place. Take 4th place. But see, I ain't have enough time.
No blocking sign, and she kept blocking.
I was running right into niggas.
Bro, I ain't have enough time to reach my lap that I wanted, bro. I took these avoiding niggas and scrapping and getting past niggas and shit.
I did not come off that break one time.
I ate them up.
I come off the
Sure did.
Bro, that one turn downhill, bro, slippery as hell, bro. Had to grip that bitch. Had to grip that motherfucker, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Rate 1 out of 10, how you think you did?
That was 10, nigga. You see the leaderboard, nigga. You see the leaderboard.
I did great. First place.
What's up?
5th place.
I'll skip both of y'all. I'll skip both of y'all.
She was behind me. She came back second. So I don't know.
Bro, how y'all feel?
So good. Right. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. I'll run that bitch up.
That's $30, right?
I'll run that bitch back up, man. That was a good ass little race. Tayana, how you feeling? Michaela, she's Chris. Michaela, how you feeling?
Hey, man, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Okay, bro, cause how you feeling, nigga?
Bro, I'm feeling good, bro. We had to go out there and hit these folks.
Okay.
With the 4th place. It's like a little slight from 4th place like shit. They weren't ready for it.
Ain't nothing.
But we back at it. We just graduated this bitch. For real.
Yeah, you feel me? Let them know.
Back at it. We did it.
Let
And we
them
did
know.
it. And it's
4th
done.
place. It's really me though. You feel me? It's really me. I did what I had to do.
For real. Out of there. Got someone to
Why didn't you bump in this one?
I want to play this clown game.